Good morning, children. Welcome to Maths online class. I'm Kerin, your Maths teacher, and today I will be teaching you all about Roman numerals. The numbers which we use in our day-to-day life are Hindu-Arabic numerals. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are Roman numerals too. Roman numerals can be written using 7 symbols. They are I, V, X, L, C, D and M, and their values are I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, M is equal to 1000. Children, while writing Roman numerals, we follow certain rules. There are certain rules which we have to follow while writing Roman numerals. Children, let us learn them one by one. Rule number 1. Children, now you know that there are 7 symbols in Roman numerals. Repetition of Roman numerals means addition. Children, among those 7 symbols, only I, X, C and M can be repeated, and V, L and D cannot be repeated. Children, no numerals can be repeated more than 3 times. Let us consider few examples here. Let us repeat few symbols and write the values. For example, I is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. X is equal to 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20. I is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. C is equal to 100 plus 100, which is equal to 200. M is equal to 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, which is equal to 3000. Children, if you want to write 4000, you cannot write 4 M's, since rule 1 says no numerals can be repeated more than 3 times. If you want to write 4000, you will write V and I and place a bar above them, which is equal to 4000. Rule number 2. A smaller number written to the right of the larger numeral is always added to the larger numeral. Let us consider few examples, children. C, L. Children, here the value of C is bigger, which is equal to 100, and the value of L is smaller, which is equal to 50. Children, if the symbol with less value is added after the symbol with more value, then we add them. For example, C is equal to 100, L is equal to 50. 100 plus 50 is equal to 150. Let us consider one more example, children. D, x. t is equal to 500. X is equal to 10. 500 plus 10 is equal to 510. Rule number 3. A smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numeral. However, we need to bear in mind that V, L and D are never subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C. C can be subtracted from D and M. Children, let us consider few examples. I, V is equal to 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. Children, I with smaller value is written before V with bigger value. According to rule number 3, if the number or the symbol with less value is written before the symbol with more value, we have to subtract. Let us consider one more example, children. X, C. X is smaller than that of C. So, we have to subtract 10 from 100. So, 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. That means XC is equal to 90. Rule number 5. When a smaller numeral is placed between two larger numerals, it is always subtracted from the larger numeral immediately following it. Children, let us consider one example here. X, X, I, V. Children, let us divide the sum into two groups. X and X will form one group. I and V will form another group. Children, X is equal to 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20. I and V is equal to 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. Hence, 20 plus 4 is equal to 24.